Hello, ladies and gentlemen, at the hangar. Just wanted to show you something real quick. I believe I threw away the remnants of my other diode. I am re-recording this diode replacement because the last video I did, my head was cut off. Not that you need to see me, but anyway, these are diodes, one of which I put on my running capacitor right here, and I'm not sure how well you can see it. Let me try to get a little closer. And this is the diode, and the diodes generally have a ring on one side and nothing on the other. The ring side goes to the battery side, and the blank side goes to the load side. Reason being, if you turned it around, if you flipped it, it would blow up, which it did before. And that's what happened to me. Let me just set this down here. You'll probably still be able to see me, hopefully. Yeah. Let me see if I can pump this up just a tad, because I don't trust myself. Sorry about any of the noise. So what I did is I had to replace my diode. I put the diode in. The diode's been off since I had my issues with the beacon. And what I did is I took the old diode off. And then I thought, well, maybe I better put it back on. And what the diode does is it takes care of any, I don't know if you would call it a surge, maybe a spike. When you shut the ignition off, the running capacitor, when the field collapses, this is how it was explained to me, correct me if I'm wrong. When the field collapses, it throws out a big spike of like over surge, over voltage, and what the diode does is it stops it, and it won't allow it to go into the capacitor. So that's what the diode's for. And if you have any sensitive electronics, it will destroy electronic items. And Kunzelman Electronics, the guys that sold me my upper and lower beacon, told me that I need to put a switch for my beacons instead of putting it on the master and then having the beacons just automatically go on. And that could have been one of the reasons that I destroyed one of my beacons. The other one was vibration for sure, and it blew up inside the lens. But the other one was over voltage or something like that. So that's why I put the thing back in, and I rigged a new switch. So now I have a switch to activate both my upper and my lower, the white and the red beacons. So what I did is I last week recorded a video and I explained all this, and then I got it home to edit it and found out that it was I don't know, about maybe right here, and all you could see is my lips moving. So I figured I'd better re-record it, and I just wanted to kind of clean it up a little bit and then explain a little bit more in detail what the diode does, because I don't think I did that in the last one. So to make a long story short, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to show you a little progress on the Aerolite. I still have to get on my wiring, and I got to trace out all my wiring again and then write down where everything goes to and where it terminates, or where it starts and terminates, and put it on a schematic so that everything's labeled. And if I decide to sell the Aerolite at any point in the future, I can at least hand somebody a schematic, and at least it shows them where the wires are going and so forth. But I'd like to thank you all for subscribing and thank you for sharing the video if you do. And I just really appreciate it if you hit that thumbs up button. Well, as everybody says, smash that thumbs up button and give me a like. And then just pass it around. And I'm trying to get to 1,000 plus subscribers. And when I reach 1,000, I'm going to have a drawing, and I'll take everybody's name on one of the videos, and I'll put them all into a program that does a drawing and picks one person at random. And then I will give away the Aerolite 103 fly103.com hat that I bought 2 years ago when I first got my Aerolite. And that'll be a little thank you for everybody subscribing. And hopefully in the future after that it'll be a little bit better gifts. But I really appreciate everything you guys do, all your watches, all the shares that you do, and just all the love. I really appreciate it, you guys. Thanks very much, and I'll be back with something new to report. Talk to you soon. Okay, I'm going to take it off. Got to take this one off, and this one. Okay, the ring is right there. This off. Crop the washer. Okay, we got the ring on the right side, or should I say the correct side. And I definitely gotta straighten out my wiring because it's looking like crap right now, but I'll work on that. Okay. Ring on this side, not on this side. Power side, load side. Okay, we're good. Okay, that worked. And that's what's left of the other side. Literally blew it apart.